Welcome to the IT Jobs series. In this video, we'll explore the world of freelance IT professionals and independent technology consulting. Whether you're a developer, security expert, cloud architect, or data engineer, freelancing offers unique opportunities and challenges in the technology industry. A freelance IT professional is an independent contractor who provides technology services and consulting to clients on a project or contract basis. Unlike traditional employment, freelancers work for themselves, managing their own business operations, finances, and client relationships. They maintain complete autonomy over which projects to accept, how much to charge, and when to work. This independence comes with both significant advantages and substantial responsibilities. Freelance IT professionals work across multiple disciplines. Software development includes building custom applications, web platforms, and mobile apps. Cybersecurity specialists conduct security audits, analyze threats, and ensure compliance. Cloud and infrastructure experts manage Oz, Azure, system architecture, and DevOps practices. Data and analytics professionals design databases, build business intelligence solutions, and handle data engineering. The specific discipline you choose determines your market opportunities and earning potential. Freelancing offers 4 major advantages. First, you gain flexibility and control over your schedule, project selection, and work location. You can work from home, travel, or maintain multiple income streams. Second, the income potential is significantly higher than traditional employment, with no salary caps and unlimited earning capacity. Third, you gain diverse experience working across different industries and technologies, making you a more versatile professional. Fourth, you build your own brand and business, creating lasting client relationships and establishing yourself as an expert in your field. However, freelancing presents serious challenges. First, income instability is a major concern. Project flow is irregular and unpredictable, making cash flow management difficult. Second, you shoulder the entire administrative burden, including taxes, invoicing, contracts, and business management tasks that employees normally delegate. Third, you receive no benefits. You must personally fund health insurance, retirement accounts, and paid time off. Fourth, continuous client acquisition requires constant marketing, networking, and self-promotion to maintain a steady stream of projects. Starting your freelance career requires 4 key steps. First, define your niche by identifying your specialty and target market. Focus on what you do best and where clients need you most. Second, set up your business structure legally. Register your business, obtain a tax identification number, and understand local legal requirements and regulations. Third, build a strong portfolio showcasing your past work, completed projects, and relevant certifications that prove your expertise. Fourth, establish clear rates and terms. Determine your pricing model, define payment terms, and create standard contracts to protect both you and your clients. You can find clients through multiple channels. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Toptal, and Guru allow you to bid on projects and build reputation through client reviews. Networking on LinkedIn and at industry events creates relationships that lead to direct opportunities. Direct outreach involves contacting companies and decision-makers to pitch your services. Finally, referrals and your growing reputation become your most valuable source of business, as satisfied clients recommend you to others and provide testimonials about your work. Financial management is critical to long-term success. Track all income and expenses using accounting software to maintain clear visibility of your cash flow. Make quarterly estimated tax payments to the government to avoid penalties and financial surprises at tax time. Open a separate business bank account to keep business and personal finances completely separate, which simplifies accounting and maintains professional credibility. Finally, claim all legitimate business deductions and set up retirement plans like a solo 401k or SEP IRA to build wealth while reducing your tax burden. 4 strategies build lasting success. First, commit to continuous learning by staying current with technology trends through certifications and professional development. Your skills depreciate quickly without ongoing education. Second, build a strong reputation by delivering quality work consistently and maintaining professional relationships. Your reputation becomes your most valuable marketing asset. Third, specialize and differentiate yourself by developing deep expertise in high-demand areas where you can command premium rates. Finally, consider scaling your business through partnerships, hiring contractors or employees, or expanding your service offerings to increase revenue without proportionally increasing your personal workload. Remember these 5 key takeaways. Freelancing offers flexibility and earning potential for IT professionals who value independence. However, success requires business acumen far beyond technical skills. Financial management and tax planning are critical to your survival and profitability. Continuous learning and strong client relationships drive sustainable growth and repeat business. Finally, freelancing is a completely viable and rewarding career path when approached with proper planning, discipline, and professional execution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.